How to make an impactful backlight with a flash. Even in a situation when you can get a beautiful photo with natural light by using a flash, you can create a photo with impactful backlighting. This time, I used a Kodak 8200 flash to create the backlighting. First, we take a photo using only the natural light. The light from the window above reflects off the white wall and softly illuminates it. The natural light alone is very beautiful. But we want more of an impact, so we will place the flash directly behind the subject and try to give it some backlighting. The flash should be set in a position where it cannot be seen by the camera. How do you think this will look? There is an edge light around the body and here, making it look impactful. And it looks like a direct light is softly touching the face. Not only did the flash backlighting create an edge light, but the light also reflects off the white wall in front of the subject and hits the face with a large soft light. It's a flat light, but because of the edge lighting, the figure will stand out. Now let's try using the flash in a more relatively strong way behind the subject. The background becomes completely bright white, and the backlighting creates a high-key image with a flare. By using only one flash, you can create a photo with impact. You can make an effective backlit camera-facing photo as well as a photo with backlight that bounces off the background. Please try it however you'd prefer.